Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I turn inexpensive thrift store finds into beautiful modernized home decor. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Let's start off with this beautifully shaped vase and floral arrangement that I picked up from my local Goodwill for $6.99. For this DIY, I'm using enamel paint in the colors wicker white and licorice. I'm also using some gold metallic washi tape and painter's tape. So the first thing I did was remove the floral arrangement. These flowers are a bit dated, but I know that I can save these and repurpose them for a future project. For my vase, I'm adding 2 coats of black enamel paint. Now that my black paint is completely dry, I'm adding stripes to my vase using painter's tape. Because of the odd shape of this vase, it's a little difficult to keep straight lines with the painter's tape, so I just did the best that I could. I was not expecting my lines to be perfect. Next, I'm painting over my tape with that same black enamel paint. Painting over the tape the same color as underneath is supposed to fill in the gaps and give me cleaner lines. I saw this tip online. We'll see if it works. I then added white paint in between the painter's tape. I added about 3 or 4 coats, letting the paint dry for about 10 minutes in between each coat. I then pulled away the painter's tape while the paint was still wet. Because my painter's tape was not flush with the vase, I knew that I would have some bleeding. Here, I'm using a small detailing brush to fix those imperfections. When I was happy with my lines, I allowed my vase to completely dry, and then I added 1 coat of this triple thick gloss glaze that I picked up for about $2 from Pop Shelf. Two hours later, I'm adding the gold washi tape to the neck of my vase. I then added a 2nd coat of the gloss glaze. And here's how my vase turned out. Next up is this really tall glass vase that I picked up for $5. This vase came with tons of glass gems that you'll definitely see me use in future projects. But for now, I'm going to wash my vase and then wipe it down with rubbing alcohol. Next, I'm adding 2 coats of black enamel paint. Enamel paint usually works best on glass, but I'm also going to try this delicate surface painter's tape that I picked up at my local home improvement store. I'm using the same technique to add the black over the painter's tape, and then I'm going to use some white and metallic gold paint to add my stripes to this vase as well. And here's how vase number 2 turned out. For vase number 3, I've decided to do something a bit different. For some reason, this vase came with gold glitter branches, which was perfectly fine with me. I can definitely use these during the holiday season. Once I washed and rubbed my vase down with rubbing alcohol, I took it out to a well-ventilated area and gave it 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. The uniqueness of this vase makes it my absolute favorite for this week. I also love the fact that by simply positioning this vase differently, I can get 2 slightly different looks. Which of these 3 transformations is your favorite this week? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.